Welcome, today I'm with Sony Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here just tap to the sound. Now you can see here the ring and notification volume section. Just to adjust the ringtone volume, swipe with your finger to the left or to the side by this way. Also we got the second way, you just can use your volume buttons. Just press on the up volume button or to the down volume button. Also we can go here to the settings icon and by the same way, by swapping with your finger to the left or to the right side, you can adjust your ringtone volume. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.